I definitely bought way too much cable for what I need. But I guess you're probably asking yourself, why do I need more cable anyways? That's why. Let's see what the new gear is all about. So I decided to upgrade the kit a little more. I thought cycling was bad for the amount of gear you can get. The cycling has nothing on what it's like to get into camera equipment. What I'm going to unbox today, and actually I'm cheating because I'm actually using it right now. I did already unbox it. Is the Feel World 4K 5.5-inch field monitor. Reason that I need this is I need to be able to see how I'm actually framed in a case where I'm not connected to a laptop. This is going directly tripod, camera, microphone, so I can take this anywhere that I want. I've actually got a link below to my full vlogging kits that I use for the podcast. But now the problem I've got is instead of going through the A10 Mini, which is what I do in the actual studio itself or in my configuration, now I need to be able to do this wherever I go. And this is why this is kind of nifty. It's actually really, really inexpensive relative to a lot of options that are out there. That's why I picked it. It comes with a monitor cable. It's an HDMI to a micro HDMI, which is no good to me because I actually have a full HDMI output on the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. So I got a stupidly long cable for some reason. Actually, funny story. I have a really, really short cable. I never thought about which side the port on the camera and the port on the little Wii monitor were going to be on. Turns out they're on opposite sides, and a 1-foot cable, too short. It probably wasn't even as funny as I thought it was going to be. So if you want to check out this kind of gear, like I said, the advantage you've got is that I can now see what's going on. You got to be careful though. You don't want to be looking up into the monitor while you're talking. You make sure that your lighting is decent, and then from there you start recording. So if you want to check out and you want to grab one of these, I've actually got the link down below. It just takes you right to Amazon. You can use this for other things. I'm actually going to use it for the output monitor for the A10 Mini. But a couple things to note. Number one, remember the cable. You may not need a giant cable, but you do need an HDMI to HDMI cable if you've got an HDMI input. And the second thing is, it doesn't come with a power supply. Now it takes two kinds of batteries, which is cool. It actually uses the same batteries that I have for the Blackmagic Pocket Cinema 4K. I hope that you like being able to see new gear in use. Funny thing is, because I only have a camera, it's a little hard to actually show you what the camera looks like because I'm filming on the camera that I'm using. If you want to check out more, like I said, hit subscribe. I'm going to be doing a ton more stuff on gear, how you can get started doing more for yourself, whether it's audio, video. I've been really, really humbled by the response, first of all, for people that are loving the podcast and all the great guests that we get. But on top of that, starting their own journey towards podcasting. And if you need a little bit of help, just drop a comment below. Would be happy to answer any questions on gear. Follow the link to the actual blog and it'll show you all of my audio kit, my video kit, and always happy to share more. Time to get some filming done.